Hello everyone, welcome to the course 4G LTE Technology, Architecture and Protocols. This is a comprehensive and extensive course on 4G that contains many drawings in order to facilitate the understanding of the 4G technology. This course begins by the discussion on the evolution of the mobile communication systems to the 4G LTE and what are the differences of the 4G LTE, which is an all IP technology, from the previous mobile communication technologies. After that, we will take a deeper dive into the overall 4G architecture, 4G access network, 4G core network, what are the different nodes that are there in the 4G network and what are the function of those nodes. After that, we will study the 4G interfaces. And in order to facilitate the understanding of these interfaces, we have divided these interfaces into four types according to the protocols that these interfaces are running. After that, we will study the identifiers in the 4G. What are the LTE network identifiers? What are the user equipment identifiers? What is the concept of the MME pool areas and the serving gateway areas? What are the tracking areas? We will study all that. After that, we will study the states of the user equipment and how the network keeps track of the state of the user equipment. And then we will study the concept of the EPS bearer, what are the types of the EPS bearer and what are the quality of service parameters that define an EPS bearer. And at this point, we are able to take a deeper dive into the 4G core network procedures. And these are the procedures that we are going to study. And after that, we will study the call flows in the 4G using the voice over LTE technology, which is based upon the IP multimedia subsystem. And after that, we will study the security in the 4G LTE, what is the authentication and the key agreement procedure, and how the encryption and the integrity protections are done in the 4G LTE. And after that, we will study the 4G air interface, and we would begin with the basics of the OFDMA, what is the frame structure in the case of LTE, the concept of resource block, resource element, and the resource grid, and what is the EUTRA absolute radio frequency channel number. And then we will study that what are the channels in the 4G LTE air interface and how those channels are used in different LTE procedures. As for my introduction, my name is Dr. Mozam Tiwana. I did my PhD from Orange Lab, Paris in 2010 on the topic of the optimization of the LTE networks. I have over 19 years of industrial and academic experience in the domain of telecommunication, and I am very excited to be your teacher in this course.